Dorner Manufacturing presents 2200 series Precision Move Pallet Systems, innovative, modular, dual-belt conveyor pallet systems for assembly automation. Featuring a variety of innovative pallet handling and transferring modules and industry-best lead times, Precision Move Pallet Systems are ideal for a variety of industries, including medical, automotive, life sciences, electronics, health and beauty, and more. 2200 Precision Move Pallet Systems are available in lengths up to 25 feet in 5 different widths. They can handle accumulated loads up to 250 pounds and travel at speeds up to 114 feet per minute. The Precision Dual Belt Conveyor operates on a common drive and features a quick belt change without conveyor removal to reduce downtime. Pallets are available in square and rectangular sizes and can be purchased as completed assemblies or as kits. Offered in industry-compatible sizes, individual pallet load capacities range between 30 and 70 pounds, depending on size. Dorner's 2200 Precision Move Pallet Systems have a unique and accurate pin tracking system to guide pallets through corners and merges. Using the innovative pin tracking system, the 90-degree corner module maintains the product orientation through the turn and features a 24 VDC drive mechanism to drive the pallet through the corner. The 90-degree corner and merge uses the same pin tracking and drive mechanism to safely merge 2 lines together. The lift and locate station delivers a repeatable accuracy of 0.02 of an inch, using an adjustable height lift from the center of the conveyor. The lift and transfer station uses a dual-strand timing belt and pneumatic lift to change the product orientation and transfer it onto another line. The lift and rotate station includes a pneumatic lift and rotation for adjustable positioning. The product can be rotated 90 or 180 degrees. Pallet stops are available in cushioned and non-cushioned models and can be added at individual locations or in conjunction with other modules. Consistent with Dorner's industry-best lead times, 2200 Precision Move Pallet Systems ship in just 4 weeks. Dorner conveyors come standard with the peace of mind of the Dorner 10-year warranty. Using Dorner's online configurator, you can design and engineer simple or complex conveyors to meet your needs in minutes. The industry-leading tool delivers a complete 3D CAD assembly model for instant validation of fit. Talk to a Dorner representative today to find out if 2200 Precision Move Pallet Systems are the right solution for your application. Dorner's 2200 Precision Move Pallet Systems, providing accuracy, speed, and reliability in assembly automation.